Yun, so guys, overtime tayo, no? Overtime to, overtime. Pero tingin ko, tatapusin ni Brownlee ton. Brownlee ulit yan, Brownlee. Parang ginawa sa Meralco. Ayan, no? Brownlee. Oh, ito pa, oh. Nagkuha. Okay lang, overtime. Pero
that's a lot of time.
2 points lang kailangan nila, hindi kailangan mag 3.
You have a lot of guys to go to. Obviously, Barrientos and then Justin.
Naka-design niya kay Brownlee. O yung decoy, baka si Holt.
Russell is back in the game. He sat out most of the second half.
He's there for defense.
Hinebra! 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 Ayun na!
Guys, this is just game number 1.
Ganda ng laban, guys.
We're down at 100. Here we go.
Ayun na. Brownlee.
They don't need a 4 or a 3.
Brownlee ang tumanggap. Ila reply.
Here's the drive. Brownlee on the attack.
Sabi ko na eh! Brownlee! Woo! Best import! Best import! Brownlee!
Once against us in Meralco, we were backing off.
Debra!
McConnell was up on him and he ran it.
Kaya lang, honest defense lang, honest defense. Mga shooter din yung mga yan eh.
There's time for
You know?
AD, though, for a catch and shoot. And they might add a little more time on the clock, will they?
Brownlee!
It doesn't seem that way.
Woo!
Nagkakadi lang ang mga referee, ang mga
Galing
officials
talaga.
looking at the clock.
Now look at that dribble pull up by Justin Brownlee. He went 1-on-1.
Jordan!
Got the shot off.
Ooh, Brownlee!
Vintage Justin at 38 years old, still doing it, guys. And the intelligence, the basketball
Honest
IQ.
defense lang, boys.
You don't need a 4, you don't need a 3. You just need 1 point to get the lead back. So we went for the high percentage, medium range jumper, and he got it to fall.
Well, you can call him Vino.
Mga shooter din to mga TNT na to eh.
Brownlee.
38 years old. He's gunning for a 7th championship in his PBA career. He's now playing in his 13th conference.
Ito pa si Bayani sa likod ah.
Championship series, right? So,
You know, this is with RHJ. So now it's his chance to redeem himself against Talk and Text. TNT, that is.
Walang pa-foul, honest defense. Catch and shoot lang yan eh. Kaya lang, mga tirador din tong mga to kasi.
Coach Chot.
TNT, tirador ng tinga. Char. Charot.
Only an alley-oop or a catch and shoot, yeah.
Ayan, no, catch and shoot lang talaga yan.
And if you're Barangay Nebra, you don't want to give up the foul.
Gumawa na naman ng history si Brownlee, oh. Bang!
6 of the second to go.
So, tama, 0.6 talaga eh.
Yeah, TNT will go
Oh!
catch and shoot. Will they go
Oy!
to the basket?
Ginagawa ko din yan sa liga.
Aguilar is on the floor. He will bounce.
Kaso nagising lang ako eh.
Pwede ka kulit.
Tagal naman.
Yung setup,
Tagal naman!
at may 30 na ginamit.
Brownlee!
But in the fourth quarter,
Ayan na.
so many players from Ginebra
Ayan na guys.
displayed heroics.
Moment of truth.
With back-to-back 4-pointers. And then Justin Brownlee making that
Walang
shot
pa-foul.
with a 2-point lead. Then Jordan
Honest
Sutton
defense. Ingatan nyo lang yung catch and shoot.
Scotty Thompson also did his share, but TNT is still in there. They've got 0.6 of the second. Shane made a shot.
There has to be a victor because both teams have played exceptional.
That's right. Here we go, Henning.
Ayun na.
Oh, what a nice pass.
Nice! Brownlee! Pero ayos yun ha. Ganda ng play nun ha.
Coach Andre stays at
Boss, walang foul boss.
Call for a foul. You feel
There
there's
was
a
no
foul.
foul.
Walang foul.
Saying that there was a foul.
Bye-bye. Night-night.
The game is over.